Hi everybody, it's Erin for Kunin and today we're going to make a cute little flower headband for a pet or for a stuffed animal if you choose to go either way with it. It works either way. Working with a stuffed animal before you work with your pet, just make sure the head is about the same size as that you would use for your pet. So what I have already done is I've taken a strip of felt, as you can see here, long enough that to go around the head of the animal or the stuffed animal. I have then cut out a series of petals using the candy pink felt, and I'm going to continue to make a few more petals using the baby pink felt from Kunin Felt. So all you're going to do is you're going to trace on with your pencil or a pen. Pen works a little bit better. Trace the shape of the petals, and the cool thing is that petals do not have to be identical. You can change them up and they can be a little bit different. For one sheet of standard size felt, you can get 5 petals as long as you go in between the shapes. And 5 petals for this shape of head works perfectly. Make sure you remove the sticker from the back and then just start cutting out your felt. When cutting out your felt, you want to kind of make them fun, different lengths, and also cut a little bit less than the pen marks that we don't see your pen mark. Now what I've already done is I've went ahead and pinned it down just to give myself kind of a bearing of where I feel like all the petals are going to go. So all you need to do now is grab your super tight fabric tack adhesive and you're going to apply a little bit of glue going along the strip of where your petal is going to lay. And to begin with, I am going to do the hot pink or candy pink color, and then I'm going to pin it in place. It takes a little while to dry, not too long, but just a little bit. And we can continue going down, pinning down each of the petals, gluing and pinning. Now that our first set is dry, we're going to go through and we're going to add felt. This time, to make sure I don't add felt into the wrong area, we're going to add in our felt in between. This just adds a little bit more depth by adding another color of felt to our entire project. Come in and pin just to make sure it's nice and secure. And now let this dry until it's ready for the next step. And the last step I did is I took 36 sew-on snaps, and well, this happens to have 36. I took one snap and I sewed on to snap it in place around the head. So just to show you what the finished product looks like, let's place it on our stuffed animal. And looks super cute and adorable. This is like a fun little hat, kind of like a little headband that you can place on to any stuffed animal or pet if you would choose to do so. It is a fun little thing. You can even change up the colors and you can make it more of a brown and a yellow and it becomes more like a lion's mane, which is super adorable. Or leaving it with these fun pink colors, it makes it more like a flower. But again, any colors of felt, of Kunin felt that you want to use would look super adorable. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out how to make this fun little Halloween costume for a stuffed animal or for your pet using Kunin felt. I'm Erin Reed, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.